Hello, in this video we go through the SnowFlake Schema structure. It's the quick video, and what we have, first of all, let's start the data wrangling. Here's the products, where's the conducted prices, here's the let's check in, and there's calendar. It's the created that columns calendar by this defaulty, and the table is the fact tables, sales amount, product ID, transaction ID. But some transactions are refunds. Here's a few. The 36 rows, 60 transactions, but there's a big difference. Refund date sometimes don't match with the sales table on this table. Let's start with the VLOOKUP functions to see how to difference these dates. So now why we do this, for example, this transaction with the ID, this transaction period was the October of 12, but the refund executed on the 22 of October. And sometimes there's the difference between months. For example, there's the also October, but there's the November. So let's see on the structure. There's a one-to-many relations, and there is the vice versa. So when we take calendar table for data visualization, match with the sales, and after match the refund calculations, this refund matched with this date will miss the information. Okay, let's check in. So we take this unit refunded, but we should match exactly these periods, not the calendar periods. What we have to do, let's observe there's the refund date and also calendar date. Here's the some dot, not solid lines, many-to-one relations. Now we should write this kind of measurement and compare on the table. Okay, we wrote this kind of calculation. We have the sum of this refund, but the filter user relationship is date and this date by this date. Okay, when we add on a table, it's changed some measurements. For example, for November, okay, let's check in this. I will take a refund and I will take only November of, and there is no November, but here's this so much. Yes, this 5 units was in October, and on this table this 5 unit was added in October, but we wanted to show by this refund date, this November date, and that was main measurement was this, but if this match the late, this function get error. So that was, and thanks for attention. There was the SnowFlake structure calculation problems and how to handle this kind of problems for not miss our targets. Thanks.